grows best in by itself in plain garden soil in full sun. It doesn't. I don't think it competes well with taller spreading plants, and that's why I've got it planted here by itself. I planted these here from a tray of pre-started seedlings from Menards, and I think in future years I may try starting them from seed about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date. Here in Zone 5, that's around the middle of May, and I heard that they will reseed themselves, but I'll find out. And I'm going to plant them around a rose that I've planted here in the middle, and you can check back and see how that rose is going this spring. Just plant your seedlings and or seeds, and just water them regularly until established. And here in Zone 5, they only grow during the summer. They're a tender annual plant. They have like little needled growth where it's a soft succulent plant. They look like needles. They're more needle shaped. And we'll talk to you later on. Thanks.